Hey everyone, welcome to Track Beast. Today we're diving into a comprehensive review of the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona, a car that brings together aggressive styling, exhilarating performance, and modern technology into one striking package. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Charger Daytona makes a bold statement. The redesigned front fascia immediately draws your attention with its imposing grille and sharply defined LED headlights that create an intimidating look. The body is sculpted with athletic lines and a low, aggressive stance that hints at its performance capabilities, while the carefully engineered aerodynamic features, like the integrated daytime running lights and a subtly contoured hood, enhance both its visual appeal and efficiency. Under the hood, the Charger Daytona truly shines. Dodge has equipped this model with a supercharged V8 engine that delivers a thrilling surge of horsepower and torque, ensuring that every press of the accelerator is met with a deep, resonant roar that excites the senses. The powertrain is paired with a finely tuned suspension system that balances raw power with precision handling, allowing the car to remain composed whether you're powering down a straightaway or carving through tight, winding roads. The transmission shifts smoothly, providing a seamless driving experience that caters to both performance enthusiasts and those looking for a reliable, everyday ride. Every element of the performance package has been designed to offer drivers a dynamic and engaging experience behind the wheel. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Charger Daytona surprises with a level of refinement that elevates it well above the typical muscle car. The interior is designed with both the driver and passengers in mind, offering a sophisticated blend of high-tech features and premium materials. At the center of the dashboard is a large, intuitive infotainment system that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and real-time performance data, making every drive both connected and informative. Soft touch surfaces, high-quality finishes, and customizable ambient lighting create a welcoming atmosphere, while the ergonomically designed seats provide exceptional comfort and support, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as it is thrilling. Even the rear seating area has been thoughtfully laid out, offering ample space and improved sound insulation that minimizes road noise and lets you fully appreciate the ride. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona is positioned as a compelling option within its segment. The base model starts at a competitive price point that offers a taste of its performance pedigree without overextending your budget. For those seeking additional features and enhanced performance, Dodge offers a range of trim levels and optional packages that include upgrades such as advanced safety systems, premium audio, and luxury amenities. Although these added features can push the price higher, they also bring a significant boost in comfort, convenience, and overall driving experience. This flexible pricing strategy ensures that whether you're a performance enthusiast or someone in search of a stylish daily driver, there's a Charger Daytona configuration that fits your needs perfectly. Throughout this review, it's clear that the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona is more than just a muscle car, it's a well-rounded machine that delivers on every front. The aggressive exterior design, the thunderous performance of its supercharged V8, the thoughtfully crafted interior, and the competitive pricing all work together to create a vehicle that stands out in a crowded market. This car embodies the spirit of American muscle while integrating modern technology and design principles, making it a top contender for anyone looking to enjoy both raw power and refined comfort on the road. Thank you for joining me for this detailed review of the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest in automotive news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to Track Beast and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Charger Daytona. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.